Is your robot vacuum leaving dirt behind? It might be the brush. Today, we're looking at robot vacuums with and without brush rolls to see which one is right for you. Brush roll vacuums excel on carpets. Those spinning bristles agitate and lift dirt and debris that suction alone can miss. They're fantastic for pet hair too. But brush rolls can get tangled with long hair and string, which reduces cleaning power and needs frequent cleaning. They also don't work well on hard floors. Brushless robot vacuums use suction and rubber fins to clean dirt from hard floors, no scratches, and effective cleaning. The downside, brushless models can struggle with thicker carpets. They may not have the same deep cleaning power on high-pile rugs. So which is best? If you have mostly hard floors, go brushless. Lots of carpet, a brush roll is better. Most people miss that you can get models with adjustable brush heights.